Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use AI to create like architectural shapes and how you can basically generate like rooms and like houses. So I'm just going to type this in to Gemini. I should probably just say circle windows. I don't know why I said circular. And then you also need to open up Meshy. Oh, I'm supposed to find a floor plan, but I'll do that later. I'm just going to save that image. And then I'm going to go to Meshy, and then I'm going to select image to 3D. Okay. And then get your image and drop it. And then you can use the AI model here and name it, and then you're just going to select generate. And it's going to basically generate like a 3D model of that house. I'll just do hobbyist, I don't know. Gaming. Only me. Let's do YouTube. Maybe later. Oh, okay. I guess it's still generating here. And then you can also make a floor plan into like a house. You do need to kind of adjust the prompt. I will put the prompt in the description box down below. Oh my gosh, queuing 70 tasks, but that's pretty much it really. Okay, it's going down. I'm just going to wait until this goes down to 0 tasks, and I'll show you the 3D house once it's done. But I will put every like important prompts in the description box down below. Okay, let me open up Chrome. And let's try to find like a floor plan and see if I can make that into a house. Just going to save this. Let's do pictures. So here, I'm just going to go back and open my prompts. I'm going to add in the floor plan here. And then I'll just do like 3 floors maybe. And I'm just going to press enter. This is just a random floor plan. I hope I can turn it into a house. Okay, 39 tasks left. And this is what the 3D model looks like. You can download it here. But yeah, that is pretty much it with this video. I will put every prompt in the description box down below so you can try it out yourself. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!